Okay.
Back there. Thank you.
Yeah, he really wants to get back in, huh?
He wants to turn and swim. He's frustrated right now.
Sorry, buddy. Kick, 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 kick.
Here comes the sun.
Yay!
We're going to movies today.
I heard that. How fun.
Good float, Bear. Good float. You're doing so good, buddy. You're doing good.
Oh, now you want to go that way. I've been directing you the other way. Okay, you're going to have to stay afloat
Kick,
this morning.
kick. Good job, buddy. Good job. So good. So good.
What's his name?
His name is Bear.
What's his other name?
Jace.
I was telling Miss Elena about your books, the Little Bear books in the show.
He has one Little Bear book, like Little Bear makes a birthday breakfast or something.
Yeah, that's it. There's a whole
Kick,
TV series and
kick.
a whole series of those books.
Good job. This is amazing. This is his first day really kicking.
Uh-huh.
Like actually getting more than that little leg up.
Yeah, he's doing good. I was getting little bits of it last week on Friday, but not consistently every time.
Kick, 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 kick. Good job, Bear. You are doing so good. So good.
Stand up, Bear.
Good job, buddy. You're doing great. Kick, kick, kick. Good job. Good job. You're so good.
I'm going to turn you the other way just to the practice. Ready?
Go. Kick, 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 kick. Kick, kick, kick. Yay!
Grace, are you supposed to be out here talking to me?
No.
Okay.
I lost my spoon.
Okay. If you don't go back inside, you're going to lose treats.
Kick. Good job, buddy. Is he smiling?
Kind of. Oh, look at the eyebrows. You're very